Alright guys, we've got a new crew member on today, John the Bass Buzzwell. So we're hoping the weather's alright out there. Sod's law, during the week it's nice and flat when I'm at work, and the weekend always blows up, but we should be alright today, I think.
Hopefully we catch some bass.
Yeah, some basses, isn't it, you call them? Alright guys, see you on the fish. Look who's just brought on boat, look! A bloody banana!
Num 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 num.
No, not num num num, it's bad luck.
It's not, is it?
Going on this guy, just wind, darling, don't have to pump it. Just wind.
Yeah.
No. Oh, alright. Turn that off it. There you go guys, Sky's taking advantage of the heater. Is it nice, darling?
So warm. I was freezing.
Yeah, let me know when it's too hot and after turn it down a bit. There we go, look. Fully electronicked up. And I've got my iPad. Oh, crikey. I've got my iPad on as well. All good.
Hi guys, the reason why we didn't get any fish today was because John decided to bring a banana on board and eat it. So that's why we didn't get any fish. And I just wanted to say like and subscribe.
Yep, warning to all, don't put a banana on a boat or you'll catch no fish. I'm going to put a sticker up, no banana on my boat anymore.